As a PSA announcement for citizens or whatever you call yourselves in Illinois under the comrade laws. I don't know what you call yourselves, whatever. The Illinois Safety Act is only 28 days. If you go over to my feeds, links are in the description. By the way, I'm Scott. This is Chicago News. T minus 28 days until the new Illinois Safe, the letter T, Act, which has nothing to do with safety, by the way, like your government always does. They lie right to your face. Or not. Maybe they're telling the truth this one time. Woman attacked in broad, no pun intended for a lady, but in broad daylight while walking her 9-year-old and her dog, or whatever, walking the dog and with her 9-year-old, whatever you want to call it. We have robbery teams now working their way up Milwaukee Avenue, as far as I see in the interweb news. Now they're getting to Devon and Milwaukee. That's Niles area. That's called the suburbs. And they're working their way north. We have robbery teams. They're stealing shit out of their houses all the way out in DeKalb County, out in Kane County, Will County. So your new law is going to make it a lot better, according to your totalitarian garbage. Anyways, Chicago woman is attacked, robbed while walking with their 9-year-old. As 12 more armed robberies are reported overnight, by the way. And most of these armed robbery teams are running 3-man crews or more. So I was just talking to somebody about when you go shopping. How about this? I'm going to tell you in a second. Remind me in a minute to get to shopping. When you're putting your kid in the car seat, your back is to the criminals or predators. You better not be going shopping alone anymore. I know 2 people in the last week that were tracked inside a store. They felt one had 2 witnesses, 2 kids. The other one had one herself and 1 kid, both women, or 3 women now. And I know another woman a month ago, a friend of mine, out in DeKalb County suburbs, way out in the country, being tracked or stalked in a Walmart, got security, etc. involved, got out safe. However, the following week, same dude, evil demon, did some really bad bodily harm to a female. Use your imagination. So her instinct was right. You better have your head on a swivel, or these cocksuckers are going to put it on there for you. See how that works? And nobody's coming to save you. They're going to add now, according to Illinois' meeting with some special doohicking to adjust this Safety Act garbage. This Safety Act rolls out of that riot garbage that started with the guy that fell asleep forever, if you believe that, on the side of a police car up in a country called Minnesota, which is their own country now. Remember the CV garbage when they wouldn't let you get garden seeds? You all forget that, listen, 2 years ago, the police were stopping you from buying shit. Don't forget. Just saying, they're going to be busy when that garbage comes back because they're pulling masks back. Los Angeles, let's do this right now. Los Angeles mask order. I know you don't believe me, so I'll look it up right in front of you. Where is it at? Right here, indoor mask order. You don't think this is coming back? You're all whacking in the closet because daddy let you out. Daddy's going to put you back in. It's called totalitarian daddy. Daddy T, we're going to call him. So Daddy T is coming back, whether you believe it or not. Now it's a matter whether you obey again. This is effing garbage, whatever that means. The muzzle, if I just fart right now, which I didn't, but if I did, and I drag you into my little doohickey room, my new podcast room, which is the network's coming for Alpha Omega. By the way, shout out to myself and my co-host and whatever. But I'm doing all the background right now. This thing's gonna be ready. The muzzle, if you could smell your partner's fart or coworker, or you see your breath coming out in the wind, in the wintertime, you're getting mind effed by your daddy, totalitarian, Daddy T, we call him in this country now. So they're bringing it back. And I guarantee you, because I've already seen the herd wearing muzzles by the grocery stores already. So if you get on your knees again, you deserve what they're going to do to you. This is 1938, by the way. I don't know if you read your history book. All right, let's get on other news, by the way. All right, back to my news feed here. These billionaire somebodies that are all involved with the crypto garbage, the Ponzi scheme is up, and they probably know stuff that the alphabet doesn't want you to get out. See how that goes? So, like, they're drowning, they're dying mysteriously. You go swim in the middle of the night with all your wallet and stuff still in your pocket, even though you don't like water. That kind of garbage is going on. So, think about that. The somebodies are being taken out, but not the lunch by. Well, remember that song A B C's 1 2 3s? Think about that. Speaking of corruption, what do you do when you call the police but they're corrupt? That old theory. And then, well, I'll call the state police. Well, the state police are corrupt. Then I'll call the, I don't know, FBI. Well, the FBI is really fucking corrupt. So then who do you go to? Like, nobody. You see how that works? Like, you can't vote your way out of this, so you know, like, whether you believe it or not. Tesla versus Apple. I got a video coming out about the new Tesla phone. You're all gonna jump on that. See, you're all, you know, nobody wants to say like this ain't happening. Like, they're gonna track you and read your brain. It says right in their commercial or what their promotion. Like, in case you have a stroke, this asshole can read your brain in real time, like your new cell phone comes out in February or something. Like, only $100 a month. So then, God forbid you end up in a coma, you could still talk to your doc. This asshole said it on your screen. Like, anyways, the communist Tim Cook, or what do we call a CCP cocksucker? Literally, like, I wouldn't doubt they have fun in their little dark rooms. Like, this asshole, like, he's got slaves revolting in his own factory where they used to commit suicide. I don't even know if I could say that word. I just screwed up this video, I think. Like, they took themselves out, but not the lunch. So he put nets there because he doesn't want to train a new person. Like, they catch you, so you get caught in a net. They throw you back in the freaking line. You have to live on campus. These people are trying to escape the walls. Like, you should go on the interwebs and look up the old CCP Apple gate. And then he backs him. Then he won't fucking answer questions in the media. I'll get to that in a minute. Let me find it right now because I got him on my tweet. Stand by. Let me get it. Just pause here. Hang on.